Alright, so today I'm going to be making a little spring craft. I've got the letter N here for my last name. This wooden plaque you can hang that I'm going to be sticking it on. I've got some flowers, some paint, paintbrush, knives, some floral foam. So to start with, what I want to do is just cut out the top of the letter. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm hoping that you won't really see that part. Didn't know this stuff was in here, but we're going to remove that. Okay, next I want to cut pieces of this to fit in here. We're going to be sticking the flowers into the box in a minute. So I'll probably need a longer knife here. Let's see. Do a light coat along the outside. It doesn't matter if it gets completely covered. Mostly just the sides, just so it doesn't show up against the backboard with this brown. So that's good because it kind of just matches the worn look of that. So I'll just do a quick light coat around all the edges. Have to be perfect because it's going to be covered up pretty much by the flowers. Okay, we'll just let that dry for a minute. Just going to add a little bit of hot glue. Alright, next I'm just going to put the flowers in. Just kind of alternate the colors. Alright, and then I'm just going to take these little ones and kind of pop them in here and there to add another pop of color and to fill in the gaps. Alright, now all that's left is to glue it to the board. So we're just going to use some hot glue and might need to hot glue the flowers in too. Alright, I'm hoping that the hot glue will be sufficient to hold it. It's not very heavy. And there you have it. A cute little monogrammed flower decoration.